Example. I'll give you an example. Let's say one of you has a factory and you advertise in this factory that you need a worker. You've advertised that you need a worker. You need someone in the, in the warehouse. So someone comes into you, he comes into the factory, and you say to this person, whatever it is, young man, young woman, you tell them, look, let me be very clear with you. The factory is working and operating very well. My business is in tip-top condition. Don't worry about the office, don't worry about the landscaping, don't worry about the building, don't worry about internal affairs, don't worry about nothing. My business is operating like clockwork. The only reason why I'm hiring you is I need you to move the boxes from section A to section B. I mean, is the job description clear? Is there any confusion in why you're being hired? Answer me, is there any confusion? I'm making it clear, don't get caught up in anything. Young brother, young sister, don't get caught up in anything. Alhamdulillah, this is my business, I'm running it very well. All that I need from you, please, just move the boxes from section A for me, and please, can you just put them in section B? That's all I want from you, and I'll pay you your wage at the end of the week. Wallahi, I will. So you walk in, boss isn't there. You can see the boxes in section A, you see that section B is empty. And you say to yourself, you know what, before I start, let me go upstairs to the kitchen and I'll make myself a cup of tea. So you go upstairs, you make yourself a cup of tea, then you look at the condition of the kitchen and you say, man, this is disgusting. How do these people even live like this? So you say, you know what? I'm going to win some brownie points. I'm going to clean up the kitchen, man. So you start cleaning up the kitchen and you do a fantastic job at it. Then you look at the carpet and you say, this place is filthy. You pull out the Dyson and you start vacuuming. Then you make your way downstairs, you see that the trucks and the vans, they're all over the place, the lorries are everywhere, so you start organizing things, then you started cleaning the driveway, then you started mowing the lawn, then you started doing the landscape. You did the most phenomenal work, the most amazing things you did in that place. You went all over the joint except moved the boxes from section A to section B. You did everything I asked you not to do. Then you come to me at the end of the week and you have the audacity to ask me for a wage. Would you pay it? Would you pay it? Why not? You're thinking, look, thanks for the lawn, thanks for the carpet, and thanks for the kitchen. But I didn't ask for that. You did everything except what I told you to do. Every one of us is living this amazing life. I'm sure you're living an amazing life and you've got amazing dreams. But you're doing anything and everything except that which Allah asked for. Then you have the audacity to sit down and think and believe that you're going to paradise. Based on what? Based on what, my brothers and my sisters? We've become lost, we've become confused. We no longer know how to put things in priority. You know,